Want to earn more than $6,000 a month with Bitcoin? Since its creation in 2009, the value of Bitcoin has only increased exponentially to this day. When you can see it on the site at the time of shooting this video, a Bitcoin is worth over $20,000. In today's video, I will give you 5 methods that will allow you to earn money with Bitcoin by minimizing the risk of losing your investment. I will also show you some strategies that will allow you to get free Bitcoins legally. So watch the whole video to understand all these strategies and make it work for you very quickly from the start. Enjoy as long as it lasts. Here we go. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This will help more people with the informative content of the video and motivate me to produce more content. Tip number 1. The 2 mistakes never to commit. Imagine that you worked very hard for 3 or 4 years and that you managed to save $200,000. Then, having heard about Bitcoin and its spectacular rise, you then decide to invest all your $200,000 in the purchase of your Bitcoin. A few weeks later, your Bitcoin that goes to $200,000 loses half of their value and goes to $100,000. Then in less than 72 hours, it goes from $200,000 to $50,000 and then to $20,000. All your hard work has just been wiped out in no time. Imagine how it could affect you psychologically. The first mistake that many people make and that they put all their savings into buying their Bitcoin hoping that it will pay them more. Others borrow hundreds of thousands of dollars from the bank to be able to invest in Bitcoin. Don't do this. The second mistake that many people make when they want to invest in Bitcoin is that they buy their Bitcoin at astronomical amounts. Generally, when you want to invest in Bitcoin, it is advisable to buy it at a very low price so that you can sell it more expensive when its value increases. On this curve, you notice that there are large peaks in some places like here and there. These peaks reflect the moments when the value of Bitcoin has increased dramatically. These moments are very favorable for sale, but avoid as much as possible buying your Bitcoin at such times, even if predictions show that its value could double or triple. In fact, their value could fall, as is the case here, and you risk losing all the money you have invested. I am not an expert in finance, but from my experience, I can only advise you to buy your Bitcoin only if their value is low and to resell them as their value increases. And then one last thing, only invested the money you're willing to lose. Tip number 2. Do affiliate marketing with cryptocurrency exchangers. The second thing I can advise you if you want to earn money with Bitcoin is to do affiliate marketing through cryptocurrency exchangers. Affiliating with cryptocurrency exchangers is much less risky than putting your money directly into the cryptocurrency market. One of the best-known exchangers is Binance. It is available at Binance.com. Binance is a platform through which you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in minutes. It also offers an affiliate program that allows people like you and me to earn commissions on every transaction made by people who join Binance through your affiliate link. If you go to the bottom of the site and click affiliate, you will land on a page that looks like this. Here you are introduced to the Binance affiliate program. The way this program works is very simple. First, you must register to become an affiliate by submitting an application form. The Binance team will evaluate your application to ensure that you meet all the membership criteria. If you are retained, you can then create and share your affiliate link, and you can earn up to 50% commission when users create an account with your affiliate links and perform transactions. That's great, but that's not all. Binance's affiliate program has additional benefits. When you see it here, you have the opportunity to win a bonus reward of up to $72,000 each month based on the total fees paid by future sponsorships. You will also be paid for first-time buyers without any sponsorship limit. Binance will also offer you the possibility of a dedicated account manager, and you can earn up to 3,000 Binance USD or $3,000 per month. Keep watching the video to understand all the advice I'm giving you and how to make huge profits right now. Don't miss the latest tip that will help you maximize your earnings in record time. Tip number 3. Sell products to service and receive Bitcoin payments. The third thing I can advise you is to sell products or services and receive payments in Bitcoin. For example, on this payment page, people can purchase the London Real Training Program by making a one-time payment of $2,997 with their bank card, or 6 payments of $597, or simply by paying with Bitcoin. You can, for example, set up a sales page where you accept Bitcoin payments. You can use the Coinbase Commerce service available at commerce.coinbase.com. It is a service that allows you to integrate payments by Bitcoin or Ethereum directly on your online sales site. Instead of receiving payments by credit card, you will receive Bitcoins directly on your cryptocurrency wallet. Tip number 4. Win your Bitcoin smartly. The fourth piece of advice I'm going to give you may seem weird, especially on this channel, because we preach entrepreneurship. In reality, you need to think of more creative ways to earn Bitcoins rather than putting all your savings in cryptocurrency markets. And for this, you can, for example, search for jobs online or in person and demand that you get paid Bitcoin. This is a much less risky way to earn Bitcoins because you can start with zero money. Just work for someone and receive your first Bitcoin. So whenever someone pays you in Bitcoin for a service rendered, the value of your cryptocurrency wallet will increase considerably. Tip number 5. Develop marketing skills. The fifth and final piece of advice I can give you here is to develop marketing skills. When I started attending conferences on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general, I realized that all these cryptocurrency projects were very well developed and quite decent. In reality, each of these projects was a company that could be introduced on the stock exchange, and what made it easier for them to raise money, and that they had very good marketing. Their marketing was so well developed that even people who knew nothing about technology were convinced that it was opportunities that would make them rich. If you want to earn money with cryptocurrencies, especially with Bitcoin, then you need to be good at marketing. It is thanks to your marketing skills that you will be able to promote your affiliate links, as well as your products to the service in order to earn commissions and be paid directly Bitcoin. So do not neglect this last piece of advice. If you want a new video where I give you tips on how to make money online through Bitcoin, then put in the comments, "I love these tips," that you see on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll have taken the first big step towards your financial freedom.